Welcome to the future of skilled trades. Automation and robotics are revolutionizing industries like welding, automotive repair, and even culinary arts. But what does that mean for the skilled workers of today and tomorrow? Let's explore how these technologies are shaping the trades and how you, as educators, can prepare your students for this exciting transformation. Automation isn't just for high-tech industries anymore. It's making its way into traditional trades, creating new opportunities and challenges. Think welding, automotive repair, or even cooking. Industries once thought of as hands-on and manual are being enhanced by machines that can work faster, more precisely, and often more safely than humans. But don't worry, robots aren't here to replace workers. They're here to empower them. By taking over repetitive or hazardous tasks, automation allows skilled professionals to focus on creative problem-solving and higher-value work. Let's start with welding. Robotic welding systems are transforming manufacturing, construction, and fabrication. These machines can weld with incredible precision and speed, reducing errors and increasing efficiency. In industries like automotive and aerospace, where precision is critical, automated welding has become the gold standard. For educators, this means teaching students not only traditional welding skills, but also how to program and troubleshoot these robotic systems. Simulation tools and programming software are now essential parts of welding education, preparing students to work alongside these advanced systems. Next, let's talk about automotive repair. Modern vehicles are essentially computers on wheels, and robotics is playing a big role in diagnostics and repairs. Automated systems can now detect and troubleshoot engine problems faster than ever. Even tasks like tightening bolts or assembling parts are being automated, ensuring consistency and reducing fatigue for workers. This doesn't eliminate the need for skilled mechanics, it enhances their capabilities. The future mechanic is as much a tech-savvy problem solver as they are a hands-on technician. As educators, incorporating training on diagnostic robotics and automotive programming tools into your curriculum can give your students a competitive edge in this evolving industry. Finally, let's head to the kitchen. Culinary arts might seem like the least likely trade to embrace automation, but robots are making waves here too. From precision slicing to automated baking systems, robotics is helping chefs save time and reduce waste. High-end restaurants and large-scale food production facilities are adopting these technologies to streamline processes. Imagine a robot flipping burgers at a fast food chain, or a machine decorating cakes with intricate designs. For educators, this means teaching students how to operate and maintain these tools while emphasizing creativity and the human touch that makes culinary arts unique. So, what does this all mean for the skilled trades? The rise of automation doesn't eliminate the need for skilled workers. It changes what skilled means. The workforce of tomorrow will need a blend of traditional hands-on expertise and tech-savvy skills like programming, troubleshooting, and creative problem-solving. As educators, you play a vital role in bridging the gap. By introducing students to these technologies early and integrating them into your curriculum, you're not just teaching them a trade, you're preparing them for the future of work. Automation and robotics are transforming skilled trades into dynamic, innovative fields. As educators, you have the power to inspire the next generation to embrace these changes and thrive in their careers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and let us know in the comments, what technologies are you most excited to introduce to your classroom? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.